This is Rap the News, and this is 100% the truth. We are looking at the destroyer, Planet Hell, aka Nibiru, PlanetX, Wormwood, right in your face, coming down, just like God said, in a dust cloud to kill your ass. A fire is kindled in my anger and shall burn to the lowest heavens, and this thing is dropping down, and you can see the planet inside of the dust debris tail. Millions and millions and millions of meteorites, asteroids, hailstones that is going to plummet and pound this earth to powder, and it's right there in front of your eyes. I'm not only telling you the truth, I've been showing you for years. I don't deal in photographs. I don't deal in hearsay or what somebody said. Nah, I like to show you exactly what's going down so it ain't no doubts in your mind. Everything I've been saying, from religion to what you see coming out of the sky, which is religion, has been the absolute truth. This is the doom, the end, and you see it right in front of your eyes. And all I've been telling you to do is repent and return back to the Most High God of Israel, who told you this was coming. There it is again, pulsating in the sky. You see it. Everybody else see it with eyes to see. Somebody can't say, it ain't happening in my damn town. It is happening in your motherfucking town. You just been blinded by God, and He ain't allowing you to see shit. This is turning the sky red everywhere. You can see the red iron oxide in everybody's freaking nation, man. It's like, what you've been under a rock, skies is turning completely red in Indonesia and Australia and Africa and other Muslim countries because you in the damn dust cloud. And then when you tell these morons that they breathing in this red iron oxide and they killing you, they'd rather listen to the damn government telling you the shit came from some bats in Wuhan, China. When I'm telling you the damn truth and shit. They just shut down 6 of my damn channels and shit. They've been totally after me the whole damn time. They coming in my computers and shutting down my computer, shutting down my volume and my program so I can't even record anymore. But you see it, because I'm letting you see it. And those are the motherfucking meteorites that I've been telling you that is going to pound down on this damn earth. We are in the damn debris tail, and pretty soon it ain't going to be no place to hide, because the earth is going to be consumed in fire, just like the Most High God promised y'all asses, man. And just like I said, they coming in red and hot, and this is the truth, ain't no doubt about it, and you've been thoroughly warned. This is Rap the News.